Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Hillbilly, and today I want to install a trailer jack on the front of my pickup bed trailer. It never had one, and I'm getting tired of trying to lift it up and having other people help me, so I decided to go ahead and put a trailer jack on it. And this one's got a wheel. It's a Hallmaster from my local Harbor Freight, and we're gonna unbox it and put it on and see how good it works. So let's get this started. So it comes in a pretty nice box. Top just comes right off. Comes with the wheel and instructions and stuff like that, owner's manual, safety stuff. And it kind of looks like it's got a hardware kit on it. Looks like it comes with the bolt for the tire, or the wheel, and the bolt for the handle. 4 pretty long bolts with lock washers, and looks like 2 mounting brackets that you can put on whatever way you think you need them. So let's get some tools and let's go out to the trailer and see what this looks like, see how to put it on. Okay guys, we're back out here at the trailer, and I got some of my tools out. I got some wrenches here. I did not put the wheel on. And I didn't put the handle on. I figured I would do that when I was done mounting it. Now, this is the trailer tongue. This is the hitch. Now I'm going to have to mount it probably here, so that way I have enough swing radius to swing it up. So let's see where we can put this thing. Okay, I'm gonna put, let's see. I think right there will probably be good. So, I gotta get out my bolts. And figure out let's see, I think I'm wondering if I should put, I think we'll put the bolts through like that, because I think if I don't, it will catch when I fold it up. I've never put one of these on before, so if I'm doing it wrong, somebody let me know. Sorry about that, guys. My battery went dead. So now let's get back to what we were doing. Let's put this one on. Got a case of the dropsies today. Holy crap. Okay. Thinking maybe. Well, I don't know. I don't think that'd work. Let me get the rest of these bolts in and get her snugged up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I got her on, and it was pretty straightforward. I went ahead and put this edge here along that rounded part of the tube, and then just put these on there and put the lock washers on and the nuts on and tighten them down. Now eventually, depending on if this is just the jack moving. If this bracket starts to move, I might go ahead and just weld this on solid and eliminate this bracket back here. Now probably what I'll have to do is get my die grinder out and grind off these bolts here just a little bit. Grind off quite, you know, so that way they're not sticking out and snagging on stuff. So now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and put the handle on. Which is pretty straightforward. It's got a square, two sides on it and a round part, and you just kind of fit it in the hole. Then you come behind it, and this is a lock washer or a lock nut. It's got threads in it, and it's a lock nut. So now flip this up here, and we'll get that kind of set up a little bit. And this wheel, it don't matter which way you put it on because it's the same either way. You just put it up in here, slide your bolt through, and this one is a lock nut too. So what we'll do is we'll just put a wrench on each side and just torque her down. Let me tell you, these ratcheting wrenches, sorry about that, these ratcheting wrenches are so nice. Now you don't want to go so tight that it pinches the wheel, but you want to go tight enough that you get your threads hanging out the end there. So now, let's see if this thing works. Boy, that's gonna be nice. That is gonna be fantastic. Now, no more trying to bust our backs trying to lift this darn heavy trailer. Yeah, I like that. Like I said, I'm just going to go get my die grinder and just nip those off, which it ain't no big deal. I don't need that much. Man, that's going to be awesome. So I bought this at Harbor Freight. They're originally like $25, I think. I got it on sale for, I think they were $20, and then I had another 20% off coupon that I used on it. So all in all, I think I paid like $15 for this jack. Now, this one only supports supposedly up to 1,500 pounds, which is plenty. I usually don't park this trailer loaded anyway. But yeah, so I think it was a good investment. For what we do around here. We really don't, we just use it as a trash trailer. Now, and I'm wanting to do some things to this trailer. As you can see, there were some rust spots and grind marks and stuff, and I'm gonna fill in some holes and stuff and get this trailer up a little bit more nicer. And I got there's a couple gas tanks on here I want to take off because that just added weight. And then I want to weld the hole shut and just throw a coat of black paint on this trailer just to halfway decent looking trailer. So those will be in upcoming videos, hopefully this fall when it cools down, because here in south central Kansas it has been 106 or 110 degrees heat index, and most of your time you don't want to do nothing outside because it's too gosh darn hot. So that's my opinion on this Harbor Freight trailer jack. If you guys have any questions, comments, put them down in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that way you see when I upload a new video. Hit that thumbs up and everything, and subscribe please, and till next time, see ya.